there that took a ride with Vibe Rides, they were put into a draw. And what we were giving out was a all-inclusive trip to Cancun for 2 people, flight not included, but we drew a bunch of winners. Every week we had a winner. And this is one of the winners that I want to share with you because she happened to be in Houston. And so what I did was I personally presented and surprised her with her trip personally. So of course we were, doing social distancing, but I wanted to make sure that I wanted to give it to her personally. We wanted to give it to her personally. So that was what we did. And we shot a little video. So I wanted to share that little video with you. Give me a minute so I can figure out on how I'm going to do that. I think I can. Let's see here. Here we go. And before I do this video, it's a very interesting video. She's a sweet, sweet girl. She's from California, and she's never been on a plane before. The only time she's ever taken a plane was to fly to Houston for school. And so I'll run the video and tell you a little bit more about her, but it was quite sweet and surprising. So here we go. We are here today, a very exciting day. I'm excited.
I'm so happy, so happy.
Well, we wanted to meet you in person, okay? But first of all,
my name is Armani.
And what
like
do
the designer.
And what do you do?
I'm a college student. I currently am a pre-med major. I work at Target right now, and I'm scribing at Memorial Herman Southwest of Beachfront. And that's pretty much it. So I don't do much.
Okay, so Armani, I've been texting, and because she lives in Houston, we're really excited to do this in person, and that's why we're here. She was she is still currently a rider for Vibe Rides, yes. And we had a competition, and she was drawn in a competition, and so we're very excited to hand on over. Have you ever?
I've never traveled. I'm excited. I've only
This is really exciting. She's never traveled.
Like to Houston. So,
We are here to present you on my behalf, on the behalf of the company Vibe Rides, and on behalf of our CEO, Holton Buggs. We're very excited. From our family to yours.
Aww.
An all-inclusive trip to Cancun.
I'm so excited. I get to get a passport. I don't have a passport, so I get to go do that. Put that on my bucket list. Check it off.
Wow.
And I'm so excited. This is a graduation gift. So
very good. So we practice social distancing. We had to do that. I'd love to hug her right now, but we can't do that. But I'm so excited to be able to do this in person today. Great to meet you.
Thank you.
I can't wait to hear about your trip. You better take a lot of selfies and send them on over to me.
I might take too many.
And of course, it's for 2, so you can take someone with you. Oh, yes.
I can take a
yeah. Hey. Whoever that may be, it's for 2.
Thank you so much, guys. I'm very honored. It's a privilege. This is an early graduation gift. I graduated next Friday, so I am excited.
And there's more. If you're going to be on your trip, right? You know what that means? You gotta be vibing.
I'm so excited for my shirt. I've been waiting for my shirt.